Hello everyone, my name is Vamshi and let's get started. In this video, we'll be learning about navigation. Now, you'll come across many situations in which you're going to use more than one page or one screen. Now the question is, how do I travel to another page? As complicated as it might look, it's really easy. I'll teach you how to do it and I'll also teach you how to pass variables from one page to another. Firstly, we'll talk about the basic navigation. Let's go ahead and make two pages. I'm going to name the first page as main.dot as it is in the previous video, and the second page I'm going to name it as something else. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this because we are just going to make a new thing. Or what I can do is I can just take this scaffold, whatever we're going to return. I can copy this, make a new stateful app. I'm gonna name it as sub main, and then in the name of the container I'm gonna paste the same code, but here I'm gonna change it to maybe green. So I don't want each and everything to be changed. I need it to be differentiable. So I'm gonna replace only the second screen blues to green, and that's it. So now if we save it, nothing should happen, and which is good. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a button after our column here, or maybe after our column, or after our this widget, our column widget. So here in container we have this one. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a flat button. On press for now it doesn't do anything, and its child is going to be a text which says click me. So that should come up here and it is clickable, as you can see. Now we are done with this. We are done with the first page, as we all see. Now in the second page, we need to redirect this page to the second page. So on pressed, it's very simple. It's called navigator dot push, and we are taking the context of the current screen. We are using a material page route. Builder is going to be context, and it will redirect to our app, which is sub main, and a semicolon because we are in a function. And if we save this, and now let's see, if I click this, it should take me to the next screen. Ta-da! It is as simple as that. I told you it's very simple. Now let's say we want to pass in variables to the next screen. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pass in something, let's say hello YouTube. So right now it's going to give an error because we are not declared it, that we are not told this class that we are expecting something. So what we're going to do, I'm going to declare a variable called string or str, and I am also going to make a constructor, and this will take in a string. It's as simple as that. Now as you can see, our error has gone here, but there is still an error here because we need to pass this string from our submain to the submain state. So here into the new function, we just pass in str. It will give an error because we have to do the same thing over here again. So variable str, or you can name it anything else in this case, and our constructor this dot str. Now the error should disappear. Or let me just reload the app. So usually if errors persist, what you can do is just reload the app, and if you click on click me, you should go to the next screen. Now we have passed in hello YouTube. Let us see if it actually works. So below all of this, over here after container, I'm going to make a text, a simple text, which will not say anything. For testing, we'll just write it as test, just to make sure it works. Now you can see it works. Instead of test, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass in that particular value which we passed. So which was string, and if you pass any integers or something, just type toString, dot toString, and that should work. Let's see. Ta-da! Hello YouTube. So what is the use of this? You can pass in calculations. For example, you can make a form in the first page and take in all the values, submit it to another page, and send the request from that page to another website, which will give the response and display the response in the second screen. You can do this. Now, there's a lot of cases where you will be having multiple files. I have done this in the same file, but usually what happens, this second class is going to be another function, another file itself called submain.dart or something like that, and that is where you declare all this, and we just need to import the same thing over here. That's all for this video. Hope you have a nice time. See ya.